How to fund your Kraken account using cryptocurrencies deposits. First of all, open the Kraken Pro app and log into your account. Next, from the home screen, select Deposit. Choose the cryptocurrency you want to deposit, such as Bitcoin, Ethereum, or any supported coin. You will see your unique deposit address and a QR code. You can copy the deposit address or scan the QR code with the Wallet app from where you want to spend your crypto. Make sure to double check the address before sending any funds to avoid mistakes. After sending the crypto, wait for the required number of blockchain confirmations. This may take some time depending on the coin and network congestion. Once confirmed, the deposited cryptocurrency will appear in your Kraken account balance, ready for trading or withdrawal. Now you know how to fund your Kraken account using cryptocurrency deposits. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more trading tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.